In this lesson, I will explain to you positively or right skewed, negatively or left skewed distribution. So first we will discuss the positively or right skewed. A skewed right distribution is one in which the tail is on the right side. What does it mean? When we will make the distribution or we will make the graph, you can see the peak performance will be on the left side, and as you will move on to the right side, the data values decreases. So here I have mentioned the peak of the distribution is to the left and data values decreases towards right. This is the definition of positively or right skewed. This is my data, so I will show you with the help of this data how to make the positively or right skewed graph. This is just a little explanation. The more detail of positively or right skewed, negatively or left skewed we will discuss in the next few lessons. But here I am just going to explain a little bit information for you. So this one go here, then this one. See, the peak performance of this graph is on the left side and the data values decreases towards the right side. This is called the positively or right skewed. So just select this, go to the format series, and here you have to remove this gap and OK. So here you can see in a more prominent way, this is the positively or right skewed. From here you can change the color according to your choice, right? I have told you before, and you can write down the data values, whatever. But this is the shape of positively or right skewed. Suppose if you do not have this data and someone asks you the explanation of this graph or this distribution, so you have to say that this is positively or right skewed distribution, because peak performance, more data values are on the left side and few data values are on the right side. So now we are going to see the left skewed or negatively or left skewed. This is the inverse of the positively skewed. Here you will find out in which tail is on the left side. You will see the tail here, the less data values here, and the peak performance on the right side. So this is our same data, but the frequency is changed. Go to the insert and this one open. See, again we have these bars. So this is the high performance or peak performance. You have to right click it, format data series. Here you can remove the gap and close it. So this is the negatively or left skewed. If suppose you do not have this data, you have only this graph, and someone asks you how you will analyze this, how you will read this graph, so you have to say this is the negatively or left skewed, because high performance is on the right side and the data value decreases, or you can say the tail is on the left side. If you have any question related to negatively or left skewed, positively or right skewed, without hesitation you can write down in comment section. And thanks for watching.